Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we're going to learn how to install R language and then how to install RStudio. Before we install RStudio we have to go to the website called cran.r-project.org, and this is the home page. It's going to tell you if you want to download it for Linux, you have to click here. If you want to download it for Mac, you click here, and if you want to download it for Windows, you click here. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to come and click here. And then it's going to tell you to install R for the first time, and then here this is the version R 4.1.1 for Windows, 86 megabyte, works on both 32 and 64 bit. In future this version might change, but the process of installing R language is going to still remain the same. So click here and then it's going to start downloading. Here while it's downloading, I'm going to go to the rstudio.com website, and then I'm going to come here and click download, and then I'm going to scroll down. I'm gonna choose the RStudio desktop version, which is free. I'm gonna click download, and it's gonna tell me that the version is 1.4.1717, which is 156.18 megabyte, which is RStudio for Windows. It requires you to have Windows 10 64-bit. Obviously you can scroll down and see if you're using Mac, you click here. You want using Ubuntu Debian, click here. Fedora, whatever the version of Linux you have. I have Windows, I can click here, but I can go up and click here. I'm gonna click here and it's gonna start downloading. While RStudio is downloading, I'm gonna click on R, and then I'm gonna wait for the installer to appear. I'm gonna click OK, next, 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 and next, and next, and next, and it's gonna start downloading the R language for me. Now we can use R language without RStudio, but RStudio is a very nice IDE. So I would recommend that you use RStudio with R. You don't use the terminal in R. So while the R is installing, let's just click on RStudio. I'm gonna click next, and then next, and let's just see. We have R finished installing. I'm gonna come here and click install, and the RStudio is gonna be installed. Click on finish. Now we have both R and RStudio installed. I'm gonna go to the start menu and write RStudio, and I'm going to click in RStudio, and it's gonna open RStudio for me. And this is not how it's going to look like. It's going to look like a white looking theme. I'm gonna just show you how it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like default. Where's the default? Now maybe it's going to look like this. Yeah, it's going to look like this, and you can just come here and click on R script. You can just write 4 + 4, press Ctrl Enter, and it's gonna be 8, which means the RStudio and the R language, they are both working fine. But I don't like the way it's look like, so I'm gonna go to tools and then global options. I'm gonna go to the appearance, and I'm going to make the zoom 100, and I'm gonna editor font monospace and editor font size 18. Now I'm doing it for this course so you guys can see everything I type here, but for you, if it's 16 or 14, whatever, if it's fine for you, keep it. But I'm going to increase it. I mean, it's gonna be like something like this. but I don't like it, so I'm gonna come and make it 18, and I'm gonna click apply. And then here I like dark pastel. Where's dark pastel? Dawn, Dracula look nice. We have plastic. Nope. No. What do we have here? Solarized light. Nope. Pastel on dark. I like pastel on dark. So I'm gonna click apply, and I'm gonna click OK, and it's like a dark mode, so it's nice on your eyes. Okay, I like this one, so I'm going to keep this one. In the next video, we're going to have an overview of RStudio. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.